Hello student, myself Rajiv and here we are going to discuss about the question which based on cylinder. In the last video we have discussed about the basic formula as well as few questions that based on cylinder, and I hope that you understood the concept as well as the question that we have solved in the previous video. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and in this video the question that we are going to discuss having a little standard level. So be quiet and try to understand everything clearly. The question is given here: the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder the first question is given here: the curved surface area, the curved surface area of right circular cylinder is 1760 centimeters square. 1760 centimeters square, and the radius is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeters. Then find its length. Then find its length. So this is the question, and now let us see what does the question say and what we have to do in order to find out the solution of this question. In this question, the question says that the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1760 centimeters square. If we talk about the right circular cylinder, then that means is that the both circular base of the cylinder having the same radius. Okay, so here there is a cylinder like this, and the radius of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. We have to find out the length. In order you can say that the height of the cylinder we have to find. So I hope the question is clear. Okay, in order to find out the height, here the given is curved surface area. That means we have to find out the lateral surface area. If the question is given in the form of the total surface area, then we have to find out the curved surface area as well as the area of the circular base. But here the question is only the curved surface area. That means we have to find out the area of this lateral surface. Here we need not to find out the surface area of these two circular base. I hope the question is clear. So the curved surface area is given by 2 pi r into h. So this is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay, now put the value of the given. The curved surface area, that is 2 pi r h, is equal to 1760 centimeter square. 2 will remain same. The value of pi is 22 upon 7, and the value of r is 14, and we have to find out its length, that is its height. So h will remain as it is, and this will equal to 1760. Okay, now 7 to the 7 and 7 to the 14, so we get h is equal to 1760 divided over 2 into 22 into 2. Since the remaining quantity on the left side is in multiple, So when we transfer it to right side, become divided and we get h is equal to this. Now divide, we get 22, 11 to the 22 and 16, 11 we get 160. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 and 8 2 ja 60. So the value of h is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay students, so in this way we can easily find out the value of height. So h is equal to 22 is the right answer. Now let us revise the question once again and try to find out its solution once again. The question says that the curved surface area. If the question is given in the form of curved surface area, then don't forget that lateral surface area and curved surface area. The lateral surface area and the curved surface area both are the same. So need not to be confused what formula will use here in order to find out curved surface area and what formula will use to find out the lateral surface area. The curved surface area and the lateral surface area of the cylinder will be same. If the question is given in the form of total surface area, then the formula will change. Okay, so that the lateral surface area or curved surface area of the cylinder is given as 2 pi r into h. The curved surface area is given as 1760 and the formula 2 pi r h. 2 will remain as it is. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. The radius is given as 14 centimeter and h will remain because is to be find out. Okay. Now 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 40. So we get 2 into 22 into 2. Since 2, 22 and 2 is multiplied with h, so when it will be transposed to the right hand side, it become divided and we get the result as h is equal to 1760 upon 2 into 22 into 2. After the calculation, 11 to the 22 and 16 into 11 is 1760. Again 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. So 8 will divide 160 end as 20. Therefore the value of h is equal to 20 and I hope the solution is clear. Now let us see the next question. The diameter of a base of right circular cylinder is 28 centimeter. Of right circular cylinder is 28 centimeter and the height is 20 centimeter. Then the question is given, find the curved surface area. Find curved surface area, and the second one is find total surface area. Total surface area of cylinder. So there are two questions are given and we have to find out their value. The question says that the diameter of the base of a right circular cylinder is 28 centimeter and the height is 20 centimeter. Then find the curved surface area as well as the total surface area. So here in the solution, diameter of base is given as 28 centimeter. Therefore radius of base will equal to 28 upon 2 is equal to 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter is the radius. So now we get the radius and the height is given, and height of cylinder is given as 20 centimeter. So these are the given data, and we have to find out the curved surface area in first, and we find the total surface area in the second stage. So now let us find out the curved surface area. Curved surface area. What will be the curved surface area of the cylinder? You have to comment it in the comment section. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? The curved surface area of the cylinder is given as 2 pi r into h. 2 pi r into h is the formula to get total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so now put the value. 2 will remain same. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. The value of r is 14 and h is given as 20. Okay, now we solve. 2 1 ja 2 and 14 2 ja 7 2 ja 14. Okay, so we get 2 into 22 into 2 into 20. So when we multiply, we get 22 ja 14 and 22 to ja 44 and 22 ja 40. Okay, so we get the product as 0.671 centimeter square. Therefore 1760 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the cylinder. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is given 1760 centimeter square. Okay students, so I hope it is clear. Now let us see the second part. The second part is to find out the total surface area of the cylinder. So here we find the total surface area of the cylinder. The total surface area is given by 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h is the curved surface area plus 2 pi r square. This is the area of circular base of the cylinder. Since there are two circular bases, therefore it will be 2 pi r square. In generalized form, it can be written as 2 pi r as common, and here we get h plus r. So this is the generalized form of the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay. Now put the value. We get 2 into 22 upon 7 into 40 and 20 plus 40. So in this way we substitute the value and now calculate it. So we get 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja 40. Okay, and here we get 2 into 20 into 2 and multiply 20 plus 40 is equal to 34. Okay, now multiply, we get 2 2 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8, that is 88 total surface area of the cylinder. So in this way we get the curved surface area and the total surface area of the cylinder. So I hope the solution is clear to everyone. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask it by dropping a comment in the comment section. So we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.